In the following example, a forklift has been delivered that's already in use. However, the corresponding invoice is still outstanding. For this reason, we post the activation of the forklift in asset accounting as a non-integrated asset acquisition against a clearing account. To do so, we select the forklift master record that we created earlier. In addition to the posting and document date, the asset value date is a central value for the acquisition posting. In conjunction with the depreciation key, this determines the depreciation start of the asset. The asset value date can also be derived automatically using default values in the system. In our example, however, we entered it manually, just to be clear. Since local GAAP accounting principle LG is also managed in our training system in addition to the international accounting principles, IFRS, two asset transactions are displayed in the message. Let's take a closer look at these two values and navigate to the Asset Explorer. Since there were no value differences between the two accounting principles for this acquisition posting, the identical values are displayed for Depreciation Area 32, IFRS, and 01, Local GAAP, both managed in local currency. However, there are differences in the comparison of the planned depreciation values. The values of asset accounting can also be evaluated in real time in general ledger accounting. For this purpose, we first create a balance sheet and P&L statement for the 0L ledger that maps our values according to IFRS. By drilling down, we navigate to the corresponding balance sheet item. You can display the individual postings at any time by branching to the line items in general ledger accounting. We then display the values of the 2L ledger. This ledger manages the values of a local accounting principle in general ledger accounting. Here too you can clearly see the single values by navigating to the line items of the general ledger view.